This is your question paper of linguistics and phonetics. Now the questions important for examination you can prepare because your exam is very near. In very short question, okay, what kind of question can be asked? In section A, in very short answer, you may be asked the very first question, what is the difference between language and a language? Okay, language and a language. So what is the difference between language and a language? Of course, language is a written and vocal symbols, or it is a system of communication. Language is written and vocal symbols, and it is a system of communication. To the contrary, our language is just like a dialect, a regional language, which is always spoken or which is always used by particular people in particular area. So we can say that regional language, okay, that is always spoken. What do you mean by a language and parole? So now you will be asked to make a difference between what do you mean by language and parole. Language, that is language, and parole, that is speaking. What is semantics? Semantics, the meaning of a word, the meaning of a text or phrase, that is semantics. You have to explain diphthongs, okay, and in this you will have to tell that there are 8 diphthongs, means 2 vowels in a single syllable, or gliding monosyllabic speeches. We also said them diphthongs, gliding monosyllabic speeches, or 2 vowels in a single syllable. And or we can say that there is a relation between 2 syllables in speech. Define the term juncture. What is juncture? It is a particular point. Juncture is just like a particular point in events or time, or we can say that a place where junction, just like junction, so juncture, where a place where things join, okay, a place where things join. So the next question is short answer question. Write a note on generative grammar. Okay, what is generative grammar? Define phoneme and allophone. Attempt a short note on prosodic analysis. You have to write a short note on prosodic analysis. Prosodic analysis, analysis of a language based on its pattern. And we can say that prosodic, just like of stress, intonation in different context, analysis of syntax and their meaning. So in this way you can write in very short answers. Now the next section will be of your long questions, and in this you can be asked, is linguistic a science? Is linguistics a science? What is the scope of linguistics? Next question, make a classification of morphemes. Elaborate speech sound with its classification. Okay, speech sound with its classification, or classification of speech sounds. What is phonetics and what are its main branches? You have to tell the meaning of phonetics, and then you have to mention all the different kinds of branches of phonetics. What is grammar? Describe the traditional grammar. Okay, grammar meaning and then description of traditional grammar. So all these were your important questions for the examination.